Welcome to Math class. Today we are going to discuss how to do completing square. So we are going to discuss how to carry out the completing square for a quadratic equation. So what is the general form of the quadratic equation? The general form of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. If the largest power of the x is equal to x squared. In order to carry out the completing square, what we need to do is we need to make sure that the coefficients for the a x squared is equal to 1. So we are going to do step by step in order to ensure that we can complete it as smooth as possible. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to move the non-relevant term to the right hand side, which is c. Okay, when you move the c to the right hand side, it becomes negative c. As I mentioned just now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that the coefficient of the x squared is equal to 1. How we manage to achieve that? You can achieve it by dividing it with the a. So that's why this is the thing that you get after we divide all the terms by a. So then now we are ready to carry out for the completing square because the coefficient for the x squared is equal to 1. In order to carry out the completing square, what we need to do is we need to open a bracket. So the x squared will become x plus the term here b over a, you need to divide it by 2. See or not? You need to divide it by 2. Okay? Then remember to put the square outside the bracket. Then the next thing you need to do is remember to minus the term here b over 2a. Remember to square. So this is the way that how we carry out the completing square. As I mentioned just now, the right hand side do nothing. What we need to do is just copy only. Okay? So the next thing is we need to rearrange everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this term. We're going to move this term to the right hand side. So when you move this term to the right hand side, it becomes b over 2a square minus c over a. Okay? So then the next thing is we are going to copy everything on the left hand side first, do nothing. Then on the right hand side, we need to open the bracket so we get b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Left hand side also do nothing. We copy everything again. So then what we need to do is we need to change the right hand side to become one term. Okay, so we're going to achieve it by using the cross multiplication. 4a c over 4a squared. Okay, so then the next thing is we are going to move the square to become we are going to offset the square term on the left hand side. How we are going to get it? We are going to square root both sides with square root both sides, left hand side and the right hand side. So that's why here you get square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Remember when you do the square root, you need to put plus minus sign. So x plus b over 2a on the right hand side will do nothing. So here we can simplify it. What we get is b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And finally, we need to move the b over 2a term to the right hand side. So we get negative b over 2a plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Notice or not? Both terms also have the same denominator. That's why you can combine it. And do you notice or not? Right. Finally, we managed to get the formula of the quadratic equation by completing square. Bingo! Okay, we have done the completing square for the quadratic equations. Okay, if you like my videos, remember to subscribe to my video